Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. McCormack. I am a researcher here at the University of Utah, and today I'm going to show you a neat little trick to prove the Pythagorean Theorem. There are actually hundreds of proofs of the Pythagorean Theorem, and this is just one of those many. So we're going to start here with a square, just a simple square, and then we're going to inscribe into it a smaller inscribed square. And what this does for us is it creates these four triangles. Now, there are complicated geometrical proofs to show that these four triangles are congruent, but I'll just have you take my word for that. These four triangles are all the same. And so A, the short side, B, the long side, and C, the hypotenuse, are all the same for all four of those. Now let's simplify it and look just at one of those triangles. And so if we ask ourselves, what is the area of this entire square, the whole square, the big square? That area is going to be a plus b times a plus b, right? Because that's the side. Each side is a plus b, and then multiply them together, get the area of a square. So that is the area of the big square. Now, what if we want the area of just one of these triangles? Well, if you remember from geometry, 1/2 times the two legs is the area of a triangle. And so we have 1/2 times a times b. Now, if we want all four triangles, we do 4 times 1/2 times a times b, which is 2 times a times b. Now, if we want the area of the center square, it's very simple because c is its leg, and then so c times c squared, is the area of the intersquare. Now, what do we know about these equations that are on the screen right now? This represents the whole square. This represents the triangles, and this represents the inner square. So this plus this should equal that. So we have our areal equivalence equation. Now, if we take our areal equivalence equation and we do FOIL, we just open up this parenthesis here. You do a times a times b times a, b times b, and that gives you this expression, and now you see something very straightforward. Those two terms cancel, and what we're left with is the Pythagorean theorem. And we'll give it stars because it's so cool. It's a cool theorem. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your party trick. I will see you down the line.